Hello guys, I am going to show you how to integrate Convertbox with Sendinblue in 2024. Use the link in the description to sign up to Convertbox at a huge discount. Step 1. In the Convertbox dashboard, click on your profile image in the top right-hand corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 2. Select the Integrations tab. Step 3. On the Sendinblue integration, select Connect. Step 4. Open a new window and log into your Sendinblue account. From the header profile menu, select SMTP and API. Step 5. On the SMPT and API settings page, you will see your API keys. If you don't see any API keys, you may need to create a new one. For this integration, you must use the API v3 key. Step 6. Go back to the Convertbox integration page for Sendinblue. First, give the account a name that will easily identify it, then paste your Sendinblue API key into the field below. Now click Connect to Sendinblue to finish integrating your account.